Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As you know that we have completed this chapter. So after reading this chapter, we get to know the relationship between two friends, right? Who understood the importance of the justice and right thing in life, and it made them realize that justice and right things are above everything, including friendship, including whatever the relationship you have with the special person or your friends or your parents or the relatives, whatever the relations are there, justice and the right things are above everything. कोई भी relation हो, whether it's strong or weak, close or far relations, whatever it is, the right things and the justice should be placed above everything. And what we have seen, the moral, what was the moral of the story? The same, the moral of the story is that we have to put the every thing just below the justice, because justice and the right things are at the above. They cannot be like choose as a second priority. They are the first priority. When you are a responsible person, you have to behave like a responsible person, and there you don't have to think like in the chapter you have seen how when Algu was decided, or the Juman was decided as the head punch. Okay, then what happened? They only gave the correct decisions instead of giving instead of giving any verdict uh, in the favor of their friend. They just gave the right decision, whether it was against or was in favor. Okay, so today we are here to see the exercise part of this video, and let's see that. So our first exercise part is that you have to match the sentences under first with those under second. As I have completed this in the assignment now, so you have to give the answers in the comment section. Well, what will be the answer for Jumman and Algu, where the best friend, best of friends? What can be the correct answer? Can you give me the answer in the comment section? Because I have already given in the assignment, so I want you to give the answers. I'll wait for the answer. I will check that also. Okay. So it's now your duty to give the answers. So what will be the answer for the first one? Juman and Algu were the best of the friends. Okay, give your answer. Second, Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. Now, Juman's aunt transferred her property to him. What can be the answer? Yeah, just choose that. Okay. The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat. What can be the correct answer? Give that. Okay. Algu was unwilling to support the aunt. What can be the correct answer? Zumman was very happy to hear Algu's name as head punch. Okay. So these are the question, and you have to find the answer from the second one. You have to match. Okay. What can be the rest part of this given above sentences? So the first one, Jumman and Algu were the best of friends. In the absence of one, the other took care of his family. This can be the correct answer. Okay. Zumman's aunt transferred her property to him. The condition was that he would be responsible for her welfare. After transferring the property, now Jumman had to take care of the old aunt. That was the condition. Okay. The aunt decided to appeal to the panchayat. What can be the correct answer? Yeah, she wanted justice. That's why she decided to appeal to the panchayat. Algu was unwilling to support aunt. Yeah, because the bond of friendship between him and Jumman was very strong. Means the bond of Algu and Jumman friendship was too strong, and that's why he was unwilling to support that aunt. Jumman was very happy to hear Algu's name as head punch. Why? Because he believed that his friend would never go against him. That's why he got very happy. Now you have to tell me why and to whom this sentence has been told. My wife knows best how to run the house. Who said this to whom and why? So Juman says to his aunt because he demanded some amount of money to run her kitchen. separately to avoid misbehavior what was done by his family and to protect her own respect, because his family and he Jumman was really means they were ill treating that old woman and was insulting her daily. Second, but it is right, my son, to keep mum and not to say what you consider just and fair. So Jumman's aunt said this to Algu Chaudhary as he was Jumman's friend and was not ready to stand against him. Yeah, because their friendship was too strong and he didn't wanted to go against to his friend. That's why he was really in a great point, a great stuck that what to do now, whether go against Jumman or to give support to her aunt. Third, what have you to say in your defense? Now, what can be the answer? So, Algu says this to Jumman, yeah, because after hearing his aunt's whatever the pleas or the verdict, he asked Jumman to speak something in his own protection. Yeah, whenever we are telling something or something which is going against us, we just ask what you want to say to protect yourself. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. Now the fourth one is, um, yeah, Samjhau Sahu. Samjhu Sahu says this to Algu because he asked him to pay the money for purchasing his bullock after a long period of not after a long period of because he was not ready to pay now. So after a long period of time he was not able to pay him. Means Sahu was not able to pay Algu, and that's why he told this all the thing. Victory to the panchayat. This is justice. Who said this? Algu says this to the panchayat after hearing of his case when panchayat gave its fair judgment. Okay, so after giving the judgment, Algu said this to Jumman and the panchayat also, because as we know, panchayat voice is the God's voice. Okay, then the situation changed. What is being referred to? What do you think? The situation was changed means now Jumman and his family was ill treating that woman, and they, after transferring the property, they treated her very badly, and they were insulting also. Now when Jumman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? Yeah, she suggested Jumman to give her some amount of money to enable her to have a separate kitchen. Now, separate kitchen, she suggested some monthly allowance. That's why she thought do a separate kitchen, to make a separate kitchen. That's why she can save her own self-respect also. What was the villagers' reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? Yeah, some of them laughed, some supported her, and some gave her some advices. Why was Juman happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? Yeah, he was happy because Algu was his friend, and he thought that his friend would never go against him, and that's why he was very happy. God lives in the heart of the punch, the aunt said. What did she mean? She means to say that a punch is a position of a higher respect, and where we all says that whatever the situation, whatever the decision of the punch, that will be considered as the God, because that is the truth, and that is fair. What was Algu's verdict as head punch? How did Juman take it? Now, Algu's verdict as a head punch, that Juman had to give some amount of money to his aunt or to return her property, because he was not ready to support her. So instead of giving her property, whether to support or to give her property. Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? His problem was that um, when Sahu was not ready to pay any of the money or the penny for the buffaloes, the bullock, okay, what he purchased from Algu, and he just wanted to take his case to the panchayat. Now, What was Juman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? Sorry. What was Algu's upset over Juman's nomination as head punch? Because he knew that his friend is going to take a revenge and he will give judgment against him only, because he wanted to take the revenge what he did at the last panchayat. So he was very scared and he was not happy with this. Okay, now what was Juman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? Now the Juman's verdict was that Samjao had to pay the money to Algu because Bullock's god died, not because when they were given by Algu, but just have had some kind of disease after that, or unfortunately they got died. That was not the reason, or Algu was not responsible for that. Which of the following sums up the story best? Okay. Which of the following sums up the best? Now you have to like the voice of Punch is the voice of God, and this is the, I think, the best sum of the story. Yeah, instead of going for anyone like kill your conscience for the sake of friendship, means अगर वो friendship का साथ देता तो सच का साथ नहीं दे पाता. Or let's no one deviate from the path of justice and choose for friendship or unity. मतलब like instead of going to the for the मतलब सच की राह पे चलते हुए फ्रेंडशिप को भूल जाना, it's not all it was all not, I mean it is also not good. So what was the best sum up of this chapter is that the voice of the punch is the voice of the god. And what is the reason? That a reason can be yes, the truth wins, and it whether it is a friendship or enemy or whatever the relation we have, we will only go for the fair decisions. Now you have to replace the italicized word what is given in the below sentences, and instead of that you have to choose appropriate from the above help box. Okay, so I'll go for the like only the answers. Okay, the best way to avoid an unnecessary argument is to remain silent. Remain silent means what you can do. Remain silent means chup rehna, to keep mum. Okay, unfortunately the train I was trying to catch was cancelled, so for the unfortunately we'll use as luck would have it, means बहुत unlucky. ठीक है. He has been told not to take risk while driving a car through a crowded street. Now, to I think to take risk, it will be to take chances. Yeah, take chances will be the correct answer. Fourth, the patient needs to be properly taken care of. Now, looked after. Taken care of का मतलब देखभाल का मतलब looked after. Why don't the two of you end your quarrel by shaking hands? Now, quarrel, for that, make it. Okay, quarrel means लड़ाई करना. End your quarrel to make it लड़ाई खत्म करना, make it. I was in a difficult situation till my friend came to rescue. Now I was in a tight spot. I was in a tight spot का मतलब difficult situation में मैं पड़ गया था. When I saw a pile of dirty dishes, I felt very disappointed. Now I felt very disappointed का होगा, my heart sank. Okay, बहुत दुख हुआ मुझे. I will examine the matter carefully before commenting on it. Yeah, before commenting on anything, I want to examine. To examine का मतलब will go into the matter carefully. Will go into the matter. They criticized him in the meeting, but he accepted without protest all the criticism. Now, for the ninth, I will say that they criticized him in the meeting, but he swallowed all the criticisms. मतलब निगल गया बिना किसी बातों का. Now, it will free me from worry to know that I had done nothing wrong. So it will ease my conscience, to know that I had done nothing wrong. Okay, this is done. Now look at the look at the following phrases. Now you have to see the phrases. I want you to do it by yourself. Seriously, I really want it. Set up means put in place or start. Set aside means save or keep for a particular purpose. Set down, write or record. Now just give this all the answer in the comment section. Okay, I just want, okay, what does it mean and what you have to do. Okay, for the first, why don't you dash your ideas on a paper? So what you will say, why don't you dash your ideas on the paper? So I don't know. Set down, write or record, set out, start on a journey, set and begin, and seems like to continue. Now you have to give me the answer by your own. Okay. Here, look at the following picture. One asks a question, the other answer it. Then the answer is noted in a form as shown below. Do you like to meet people? Yes, I do, but not always. I do have some close friends though. Kindly write in form. Okay, now it's like you have to give some answers, yes or no, and after that you have to give some reasons also. So this is like you have to do it in a partner, but I think I can ask this question in the group also, or you can give your answers here in the comment section also. So do you have a separate room for sleep and study, yes or no, and why? Okay, you have to give a proper reason also. Would you prefer to live in a joint family? Yes or no? And you have to give the proper reason also. Do you get on with the people? Yes or no? Then give a reason. Do you like the area you live in? Yes or no? Why? Do you find the place overcrowded? Yes or no? You have to give the answer. Do you use public transport? Yes or no? And give your answer. Would you like a vehicle or are of our own? Yes or no? And give your answer. Do you like reading? Yes or no? And give your answer. Would you like to be a teacher, doctor, or engineer or architect? What you want to be and why you want to be. Okay. Now that you have completed the ever project, write a brief report stating what you did, how you did, and the conclusion. So now you have to write what you did and how you did, and you have to write the conclusion also. And now it's like you have to do this. Okay, your teacher will ask the word, means I will ask you some word right against our opposite meaning. So opposite meaning आप लोग क्या दोगे? ओल्ड का, जैसे लिक्विड का सॉलिड है, हार्ड का सॉफ्ट है. व्हाट यू विल गिव द आंसर फॉर ओल्ड? तो give your answer in the comment section or in the group also. Okay, wet, give your answer. Open, give your answer. Blunt, give your answer. And forget, give your answer. Okay, so these are the works which are supposed to be done by you, and I want you to do this all. Okay, so all the best to all. Give your answers carefully and complete your book and notebook regularly, so that it won't be a burden on you while submitting notebook PDF during exam times. Okay, so this is all about the chapter fair play. I hope you have understood and understood the meaning of this chapter also. Okay, so have a nice day to all, and bye everyone.